What is happening, babies? Welcome back to my channel. Today you're tuning in with Sassy. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Today we have a collaboration with Steph here on YouTube, you guys. Oh my god, she's absolutely amazing. You guys will definitely love her. We decided to partner up and collaborate and bring you guys a Shopmissa Aoa full-on beat. I'll make sure to link her video down below for you guys to check out. Make sure you guys don't miss it because it's gonna be absolutely amazing. You guys are gonna get to see more Shopmissa Aoa goodies, so make sure you guys stay tuned. Don't forget, I'll link everything down below in case you guys are interested in any of this product. But without further ado, baby, let's get into this video. Okay, you guys, so the first thing I'm using is their Wonder Brow Tinted Brow Pomade, and I got the shade Taupe. It actually looks really light in my opinion. And I'm also using their Aoa pink brush sets that looks like this. I'm sure you guys seen this all over. I'm gonna use their E133, which is like a brow brush basically. It also brings a spoolie, really nice. I'm just gonna use the angle side brush to fill in my brows. Oh my god, you guys, so it's actually really creamy and it's working really nice. Like, I really like it. Anyways, we're gonna go in with some concealer now to clean up the brows, of course. You guys know that's always the next step for me. So to clean up the brows, you guys, I'm actually gonna use the brush E131, and this is more like a flat angle, flat shader brush sort of thing. And I'm just gonna use this because I like the angle of it to kind of get in there in the brow, and also to like blend in concealer onto my eyelids. So, and I'm also using the concealer, the Aoa Studio Wonder Cover Concealer by Shopmissa Aoa in the shade Classic Ivory. I'm just gonna dot and then take the brush and blend that in. And I'm also adding it to the eyelid, as you can see, so we can start our look as well. And I'm also going to take the Wonder Sponge, you guys, the Wonder Blender, just to blend in that concealer. I feel like the concealer can be a little bit more on the drier side, to be honest, but still looks really nice. Like, it looks so good. It's so pretty. For $1, you guys, you're not losing literally nothing. I'm going to go onto the face first because I have a lot more stuff for the face that I want to use, so let's go ahead and do that. First thing first, I'm going to be using their Wonder Skin Color Correcting Primer. This says that it illuminates medium to dark skin. This is a primer to prep your face for flawless makeup application and even skin tone. So as you can see, it does have like a peachy tone. This instantly gonna cancel out like darker pigmentation, which is really nice. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this all over the face basically. I do instantly like how it feels. It has some sort of like hydrating, smoothing effect, and as you can see, instantly like giving me a glow. This is, ooh. So I'm just gonna apply this all over the face. So I didn't apply too much, you guys, but it feels really nice on the skin. At least for my dry skin, it feels really nice. So today, you guys, I'm gonna be doing like a different technique on my face and how I apply everything basically. I'm gonna start with concealer, corrector, and things like that. By the way, you guys, I just went ahead and wet the sponge. It feels so soft right now. Like, oh my god, I'm so excited to try this. Anyways, let's continue. So I'm gonna be taking the Aoa Studio Wonder Cover Concealer in the shade Classic Ivory. I'm gonna be using this under my eyes, of course, almost everywhere where I apply concealer. I can tell you that I do not like the smell of this. It smells really strong, you guys. Like, I don't even know what kind of smell this is, but it is quite strong as well. Not so pleasing to be smelling, you guys, that I could tell you. So I'm actually gonna go ham with the concealer. I'm gonna bring it up to here as well. Again, I'm just gonna really go ham with concealer today because I want to do a different technique. And this technique that I'm doing, you guys, I saw it on JLo's makeup artist, and you guys know I love me some JLo glow, so I'm just gonna do that technique, honey, and see how it works for me, okay? I'm just not a fan on how this is smelling. It is so strong. I feel like I'm smelling a lot of chemicals, and the product itself is quite drying. So yeah, this is a lot of concealer, but we're just gonna go ham. I'm gonna blend this in like so with a sponge. I'm just gonna go in, and you can definitely see, you guys, that Classic Ivory has a peachy undertone. Again, this is gonna be great for those darker skin tones and dark under eyes. It's gonna just brighten up that color. You basically color correcting while concealer, so it's pretty nice. So it's blending in really good, you guys. You can instantly see how the darkness is completely gone, honey. The sponge is doing that job. Like, wow, this is so nice. I think I'm gonna get more. They're so well. Yeah, you guys, this concealer dries up really quickly, so you kind of have to work on a very fast pace. Okay, you guys, so we kind of have our highest point of the face all highlighted. Now I'm gonna go in with their Wonder Cover Concealer, HD Concealer in the shade Warm Honey, and I'm gonna actually use this one to warm up the face now. And of course, after all the craziness, you want to start blending in. I know I look insane, you guys, but we'll fix this, okay? Don't worry. And next, you guys, I'm gonna take their Perfect AOA Studio Perfect BB Cream. This is a skin perfecting, color correcting type of BB cream, and I'm just gonna use this all over my face. It's the BB cream, so it doesn't have like a lot of coverage. I'm just gonna go over this a little tiny bit just to sort of marinate everything together. I am not even sure what I'm doing, honey, but we're doing it, okay? So kind of like that, you see what I mean? Like it just marinates everything together now compared to this side that looks insane, okay? And again, you guys, the sponge is doing magic. Oh my god. And again, don't worry about these lines, you just go over them. Okay, guys, I pretty much blended out my whole face. I did went ahead and fast forward that just in case you guys don't want you to get bored. So now I'm gonna start basically powdering the face. I'm gonna be using this AOA Studio Perfect Finishing Press Powder in the shade Toffee. And I'm actually gonna be using this to bronze out the face just a little bit more, warm it up. You guys, I'm also taking their AOA Perfecting Setting Powder in the shade Soft Light. This is a setting powder. This is nothing new. This is actually pretty old, but I really like it. So, oh my god, I'm really loving the sponge, you guys. It feels so nice, so good. And I'm just gonna press that in. I do not bake, you guys. That is not for me. So the powder is really nice, you guys. I mean, don't expect like a high-end powder, but it does work, you know. And you guys, for now, I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of highlight. I'm using the AOA Studio Velour highlighter. I really like these. These have a different texture to them. It's more like a smoochy, like squishy textures. It's a wet texture, that's what I'm trying to say. They're really pretty, they're wet texture. I'm gonna go ahead and add that with my finger like so. Look at that glow, it's so pretty. And I just like to add that right on the highest point of my cheekbones like that. So I don't have any setting spray from them, but I'm gonna be using the Ofra Cosmetics setting spray all over the face just to set all that powder. Oh, I drenched myself. Whoa. Okay, you guys, so before I finalize the face, I'm gonna go on to the eyes now. I'm also using this Shopmissa Aoa XOXO eyeshadow palette. They're such beautiful eyeshadow palettes. I have all 4 of them because I love them all. And I'm just gonna start and create a pretty look with this today. So first, I'm gonna take this beautiful peachy shade from the palette with the brush E130. Again, this is from the AOA Studio line. I'm gonna go ahead and dab that brush in and start sliding that onto the crease. You guys, tell me this color is not the prettiest color you ever seen, and that is just one color, and it's this one right here. They do not have names, sadly, but it's this color right here from the XOX palette. So pretty. Oh my god, like I don't even want to put anything else on just because of how pretty this one is. Like, it cute me. This is cute. But of course, I'm gonna go ahead and darken the crease a little bit more using this shade right here. And you guys, I'm using that same shade on my lower lashes as well, kind of smoking that baby out. And then I'm going to go in with that peachy orangey shade on the crease as well, just to smoke that on my lower lash one more time. And I'm just going to apply this slightest little tiny bit. And now you guys, I'm gonna go in with this AOA Studio Crystal Powder. It's more like a glittery kind of powder, and I did get the shade Light Peach, and I'm just gonna add a little bit, tiny bit on the center of the eyes, like on the inner corners basically, like so. And it's such a pretty powder, you guys. Oh my god, you guys, I'm absolutely obsessed. If you can get your hands on this crystal powders, this is Light Peach one, girl, It's pretty. Like, this is so cute. Anyways, let's continue. Okay, you guys, lashes are on. Pretty much my eyes are done. I went ahead and applied some waterline, liner, black eyeliner because I don't have anything from AOS. I don't have anything from Shopmissa Aoa, and I also don't have a mascara from Shopmissa Aoa. Those are the things that I'm missing. I apologize. And now we're pretty much done with the face. As you guys know, spring is near, so we need something. I want to do something super soft, super pretty like this. I'm gonna go back to the face, you guys, to add a little bit of highlight. I'm using their AOA Studio Pout Highlighter. This is a powder highlighter and it is absolutely beautiful. This is the shade Sun Ray. This is from the AOA Studio line. And I'm also using one of the pink brushes. I do like to use these tiny little to apply highlighter because I find that when I use bigger brushes, I usually tend to go a little bit overboard with the highlighter. So I tend to go for these instead and just kind of focus it, you know? Ooh. And now, you guys, for the lips, to finalize this look, I went in with a Wonder Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Leak. I really like this color, you guys. It suits my skin tone really well. So if you're into really pretty nudes, this is definitely a color to consider because they're super affordable and only $1. The packaging is definitely super cheap, you guys, and it has like a little smell to it. Not so pleasing to be smelling. Once you apply it on your lips, it does goes away. Either way, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you guys check out Steph's video. Please go spam her in the comments. All of you sparkling babe, if you're from the squad, make sure you guys go spam her. Make sure you watch my last video in case you haven't. I'll link it right here for you. But till next time, I'll see you.